And here we have the process of putting the hinges and the latches on a door. We have a jig where we can position the blocks. We've already done one of the hinges just so it's speeded up. It's important that the front latch block is slightly inside the lip so that the door can freely shut, but it has to be quite close to the edge. The blocks are a bit short of the end, so we're just putting the screws in here.
Purchase this time.
Tools are very worn down, they've seen a lot of work. The screws we're using on the front are Torx screws with a hexagonal fitting so that not anyone can come along with a screwdriver and undo them. Torx screwdrivers are pretty rare. When it's taken on site, the bolt fitting will be put on the other side on the frame. We tape it on so that the crew have it to hand when they're on site. Flip it over. Put a latch on the inside. So once they've got inside their shelter, they can lock it shut and should feel secure. Another little bolt slide for the inside. There we have it. One more door to the pile.